Hi everyone, this is Jay Harris coming to you from Tom's Trading Room. In this video presentation, I'm going to go over a bit more education on the deleting trades functionality within the tools. You can go ahead and fire up the cursor to your Trades tab, hover over Edit, Create, and then left click on Delete Trades. We've been around for about 3-4 years with Tom's Trading Room, and Optionetics has been recently acquired in the last year, and some of you guys have been with us from the start. Some of us have been able to transfer our trades from what we had with Platinum back with Optionetics into Tom's Tools now, and there is the capability that you run up to the max limit of saved trades, which is 1,000. Now you can delete these trades and free up space to put in more saved trades. Before you do that, I want to show you that in the tools we already have a video on how to move your trades to a spreadsheet, and that's back in the July 2015 directory. And the reason I suggest this is maybe you don't want to delete those trades and not have that information ever again, but if you want to have a place to archive them, you can through your Excel spreadsheets, and there's how to move them over. Once they're moved over, you can go ahead and click on, again, hover over the Trades tab, Edit, Create, and then left click on Delete Trades. When you get to this page, it's going to first start off showing you that trades with the capital letter N under the Exist column are underlying stock symbols that no longer trade options. And we're going to go down here and show you that there's the Exist column and there's the capital letter N on all of these securities not trading options anymore. So real quick, also, we have Priceline changing ticker symbols probably tomorrow or real soon. It's going to be a new symbol, BKNG. So here's a little tutorial on how to fix a stock that changed the symbol, and I believe our programmers are going to be on top of that as well. So let's get back to these deleting trades. What you'll see here now is, again, the Exist column with the letter N, and if you want to sort by a certain trade range, you can go 1 to 50, 51 to 100, and so on. If you want to sort by the earliest date, the trades that are in there that were done the earliest or the farthest back, just click on the earliest date hyperlink. And once you do that, the page will refresh. You go back down to your table here and you'll see that your trade open date goes back to the furthest one you have, and it scrolls up to the more recent ones. Now if you want to select a specific few, or you want to check them all, you can do that. You can click on the ones you want, or you can just click on check all, and it'll take care of a check mark in all of the 50 on this page. Now if you click check all and you decide, well, you don't want to delete all of those, just right click on the page, left click reload or reset, and when the page resets, it's going to take the check mark out of all the boxes, and then you can go back in and select the specific ones that you want to delete. I'm just going to delete the first 5 here. Once you've put the check mark in the delete column box, you click on the green delete button. It will reset the page and take care of deleting those trades for you. Now if these trades also freed up the amount of trades that are in a specific folder, so if you go to a folder and there's no trades in there, you can delete that folder, but you have to delete all of the trades out of that folder before you do that. But nonetheless, it gives you the heads up that the following trades have been deleted and you are now set to go. I will see you on future videos. Bye for now.